Hey guys, COD Cooler. Today I got a new Lego gun for you. Today I've got my Lego hunting rifle, complete with a charging handle, which has the bolt come out of the back. It's got a working stock. It has a magazine, a big magazine, an integrated foregrip, and then your barrel. You have your front sight, rear sight, and these that white slope and that red slope are for a sight. And then you have your grip, which you hold like this, and then you put your thumb through there. And so you got your bolt. And the main reason I built this is you can kind of see it here. But if I go like this, you can see this piece here. And this. And I originally wasn't going to build this gun, but I ended up building it around a mag release feature, as you can see. And then if I push it in, you kind of see it move. And then also I can't put it in when it's like that, because that's locked. As you can see, it's not coming out, and that just moves. And this is the magazine design to make it work. I'm not going to go into detail on how it works, but yeah, you can do that, and you can take your bolt. So yeah, here is the extended mag. It's bigger and it's got a hole, which is pretty cool, I guess. That works the same way. Then you have your scope, which is a pretty nice scope, honestly. It's got a little section curve. It's pretty nice, and it's see-through. It's not that great of a sight, though, or a scope. Here are the iron sights. I kind of went for a M16, M4 carbine kind of style. So, yeah. So this is probably one of my favorite builds, and it's because, one, it's a massive build, longer than my arm, actually. And it's also one of my favorite builds because it's got a working mag release, which is a better version of my other previous mag release. And then it's also got a pretty cool bolt, I guess. And the bolt, I can show you how that's built. It is built with the base plates come off. I gotta be careful because I don't want to break anything internally. Any internal structures. Also, the front sight pops off. It's held on by some jumper plates. So here's the inside. You have a rubber band here, which leads up to here. Then you have your bolt, which moves, as you can see. And this is the exit, like the end of the gun. And then that comes out. So, and I could take out the bolt. And you can see there the thing that holds the rubber band. And if the rubber band breaks, it won't matter because the bolt will still work. So, put this back on, actually. I gotta put this on first. So, fixing it, you just put this on, snap it into place. Like so. So that's there. And then you take this base plate and you just put it on. And it works like a charm. Again. Now, when I built it, originally the bolt moved smoothly and this didn't come out. But now the bolt moves back and it only moves forward, so it's kind of like a bolt catch, like a built-in bolt catch. So, and then if I move it just a little bit, it pushes forward. So that's pretty cool. Yeah, so that's about it for this gun. Anyways, if you guys like this video, comment, like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. I'll catch you in the next one, guys. This has been COD Cooler, signing out. See ya.